Okay, the rest of 7.2, exponential decay. We're gonna talk about exponential decay model. Exponential decay model. Okay, and it's y equals a times 1 minus r to the t. What do you think these letters stand for again?
Amount.
Amount, rate, and,
Yeah, a is the initial amount. Problem is this. Morgan, can you tell me? The textbook says that it's only good for 6 days.
What?
All of them now say that their textbooks are only good for 6 days, that expires in 6 days, the codes. That's the problem.
Oh, well.
And then when she
Okay,
clicks,
then they didn't do it right.
and then when she clicks on this,
It'll just something hurt the people that make it.
it doesn't take you to anything that has page, Morgan doesn't use the online. This is telling us stuff. Okay, so that's the initial amount, then what's the R? What's the R?
Rate.
Rate, and what's the T?
Time.
She's in study, where's study hall this spell? I think she's in study hall.
I don't think it's in the cafeteria.
Here, I'll tell you. It might be in the cafeteria, how do you know it's not in the cafeteria?
Because I went to the cafeteria.
Oh, that's right, you get food.
The computer apps. You like make conferences with it.
Well, the homework, you told me it doesn't.
Oh, she's a teacher's aide for mechanic now.
You talking about you doing homework class?
Yeah, it doesn't go to the book.
She's gonna be like. Right there is not the book.
Alright. I have been there 6 months, so you know who's going
Those
there.
aren't-
And I'm a teacher.
Oh, well,
My offense was.
Not the book problem with me.
With
that's different than I've ever seen it.
My offense was.
Is that what the problem is?
Oh, you, Kaylee.
She just,
No, teacher.
I just said Hensley.
Is this the-
Saving?
those look like the problems you have, right, Morgan? Are they the same?
I know, his name's Saving.
Just shut up.
Okay, so here's the deal. Let's talk about this. Let's say,
You can say something.
you have this, okay? And we're gonna do word problems today. Okay, suppose the value of a I can't talk.
Yeah?
That's because you're making two word problems.
Here.
There you go.
Just write it out.
A new snowmobile, there we go, costs $4,200. Okay, the value of a snowmobile decreased by 10% each year. Yes, it's saying we have 6 days and I don't know when.
When they set theirs up, they can go to right.
When's that first quiz?
But that's everybody's, Gary, that can't be right, they had to have gone,
Just don't pay attention.
your first quiz is next week, okay? It wants us to,
Initial cost is A, yeah?
yeah, initial cost is A, it wants you to write an exponential decay model. Okay, write an exponential decay model, giving the snowmobile's value y in dollars after t years, okay?
We have Tahir time. Can you send her to your computer room? Thank you.
After t years, okay? And then it wants us to estimate the value after 3 years.
I think the hardest thing for me on this is deciding if it wants the T to be years or days. Cause like year it says each year, but then I don't know if I should put 365. or-
Okay, you mean like in
Daily,
general on
yeah.
any word column? If it says years, you put years.
Okay.
If it says days, you put the number of days.
Okay.
If it says months, you count months out.
12.
okay? So yeah, so you have to adjust to whatever the problem is
So
saying.
days
Oh,
would
so-
be 365.
So if it says over the course of a year, tell us the growth in days or whatever, or
Okay.
decay.
But this just says years twice, so I would
This
just
does
write
say
one.
years twice, so what's it gonna
So
be?
just write one.
Just years, yeah. Okay, so how can I put a model together for this? What equation am I gonna use? If this is decreasing, what equation do I use?
Y equals.
Uh-huh.
4,200,
4,200, cause that's your initial, is what you're telling me?
yeah,
Okay, times what?
1 minus.
1 minus,
0.1.
Because 10% you changed it already, beautiful, to 0.1. And
To the
then
power of 1.
2, 1.
to the, well, to the T, they just want the model first.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So first, we're just writing a model, which means this and this won't have answers to it right now. Now, it says estimate after
oh,
how
after
many?
3 years, so
3
now
years.
we write in.
So how much is it estimated to be after 3 years?
You're gonna have to talk to me about that, because I need to find out how this goes up, and do that.
Okay. What is 1 minus 0.1?
0.9.
0.9, and what's 0.9 cubed?
0.729.
Oh, wait, you're supposed to do that first?
Yeah, it's pretty.
0.7 what? 3? And then you're multiplying that by 4,200? What's that come out to be?
3,061.
Beautiful. $3,061, and I think it has some sense to it, maybe
Yeah.
80, okay? So basically what it is telling us is that over the course of 3 years, okay, the snowmobile is losing money, right? The snowmobile's value goes from $4,200 to $3,061.80. It's just like a car, when you drive it off the lot, it starts to depreciate, okay? This is literally the only thing you're doing on your homework tonight is using this problem, okay, and I'm gonna give you word problems. What?
Because there was 2 of them. You had.
Cause the other one has
Oh.
2 to differentiate
Yeah.
between, this has 1.
It had growth, and then it also